Honorable Ogene, please go back to your seat. Honorable Ogene.
I represent Nasarawa Federal Constituency and
Honorable Pakai, please.
Mr. Speaker, let me start by sympathizing with the victims and families that have lost their loved ones in this great tragedy. Indeed, it is sad and painful when a life is lost. But the truth of the matter is, Mr. Speaker, is that you cannot fight a war without collateral damage. Even countries like the United States of America and Russia, with all their latest military technology, have had issues of collateral damage in places like Libya, Syria, and Iraq.
Ustaz Yunus, Honorable Yunus, please. Honorable Odebomi, please. Take your seats.
But, Mr. Speaker, let us not forget that in this unfortunate incident that happened, even the military lost some of its people. And, Mr. Speaker, I believe that the Nigerian Air Force should have coordinates of all safe havens that should have been clearly marked. For example, the Red Cross have signs on the roofs of all the areas that they're operating. I believe that IDP camps should have all those signs too, Mr. Speaker. At the same time, Mr. Speaker, like I said, I believe the loss of even one life is unfortunate, but I also believe the Nigerian military have done us proud in the fight against insurgency. We should not forget the lives of the gallant soldiers, Air Force officers, Navy, and other people that have stood by this country in the fight against insurgency. Yes, I do believe there is a need for an investigation into this unfortunate tragedy, but at the same time, I will also commend the government and the Air Force for coming out immediately after it happened to admit its fault and to admit that an
Order, please.
They did not hide it.
Silence, please.
They came out and accepted responsibility for what had happened. Mr. Speaker, it is sad, and I pray that the souls of those that have lost their lives rest in perfect peace. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.